Hey guys, what's going on? Darryl Addison at torpedopot.com, Darryl Addison at torpedopot.com. And you're looking at our self-growing planters. Garlic chives have been growing this planter for about 3 years now. And all it does is come back, and it comes back, and it grows, And all we do is walk up and we cut it down. We harvest it. See, these self-growing planters, all you do is put your seeds or your plants in, and it grows your food for you with no human intervention. You don't have to do any work anymore. You just enjoy the fruits of your labor. And that's what I'm doing. So this is the beginning harvest for the year. As you can see, I've already started harvesting. So I'm just going to come back and just use everything here. I haven't even cleaned my planter out so far this year. It was such a burst of energy. They came right on out and they started growing. It's unbelievable. Let's see what we can get out of this. Guys, these are torpedo pots. These are self-growing planters. All I did was put my seeds in this planter, and it produced me garlic chives for about 3 years now, and I've never had any problem. I normally get about sometimes between 3 pounds from this one planter throughout the year. So 3 pounds of fresh garlic chives. And they're beautiful. They're absolutely beautiful. Healthy, beautiful plants. Absolutely beautiful. Yeah, so it grows my food for me. Again, all I do is put my seeds and my plants in here, and it's still winter. And I've got harvesting food, dude. I'm having a wonderful time. Now, do I need to take it all down? No, I don't. I use what I need when the meals come, and I let it grow back. But I'm going to cut some more down for now. Guys, these are torpedo pots. Look at that. Fleshy. Look how fleshy that is during the wintertime. In a controlled environment. Torpedo pot controls and grows the environment, develops the environment that grows your food, so that you can have food year round. Yes, even in the wintertime. We've been harvesting radishes when it gets really cold. We don't touch the soil, but when it gets cold, it releases, we just pull them out and harvest them. Same thing with the garlic chives and so many other growing food that's in your area. And it just grows perfectly. Isn't that beautiful? These are the torpedo pots, dude. These are self-growing planters. And all you do is put your seeds and your plants in this planter, and it grows it for you. Let's try to cut a little bit more off this. So this would be my first cutting of the year. Well, I had one cutting before this, but it's only about 5 to 10% of the planter. But this is really the first full cutting of the year. So I have food that lasts me quite a while. Now, it caught me off guard because I didn't know it would grow so fast, you know? It grew really fast. Guys, these are torpedo pots. These are my fresh garlic chives. Aren't they beautiful? Would you like to have that in your meal? All I did was put my seeds in this planter. It's called a torpedo pot. And it grows my food for me. I don't have to grow my food anymore, and it is so beautiful. It is so beautiful. It's so fleshly, so beautiful. Man, I can have something fresh every day, anytime I wanted to, man. So this will grow right back, and I just wanted to let you guys know that your nutrition is right at your doorstep. All you have to do is reach out, and grow and get exactly whatever you want in life. There's nobody stopping you from growing your food or developing your food supply. It's all right before you. It's called Torpedopot. It's the fastest growing system in the world. All you do is put your seeds and your plants in that flower pot, and it takes up and grows your food for you. You never ever have to grow your food again in your life. And you'll always have successful food. All right, I'm gonna talk to you guys later. I'm gonna put this in, and then what I'm going to do now is clean my pot out. It grew so fast, I didn't know I had this debris in here. You know what, I'll just let it stay in here. Everything's successful. And I was gonna open up the pores, let the air get through, but it's gonna take that dead vegetation to push it up and it'll break itself down anyhow. I don't have to do myself. Thinking I'm doing justice to the plant by doing that. It'll take care of its own environment. So the only thing I need to do is just come back and take out what I need to do. If you find there are weeds that are growing in your planter and stuff like that, try to get them early. Just pull them out. But for the most part, every time you harvest and you cut everything down, you get to see what's going on inside of your planter. And you can see what you think may be a potential weed or potential growth. And you just pull it out. And it'll grow by itself over and over. Isn't that beautiful green? That's beautiful. That's absolutely beautiful. Look at that, fleshly. Man, I want to see that fleshly color. I want to see all of that in my food, man. A controlled environment called Torpedopot that grows your food for you. All right, I want to thank you guys. I'm going to retire, carry this in, probably make me a nice little juice for the day. Now, I just carried a bunch of this in for one day, okay? And this is just growing the beginning of my, the end of the winter. Still in winter, end of the winter. And so I'm going to get multiple harvests over and over again of garlic chives. And Torpedopot will grow it for me. And you can decide if you want to harvest them as I am right now, which this pot can deliver about 3 pounds of garlic chives over that year period of time. I'm in the northeastern region of the United States. And so I'm assuming for some of the other regions, it's going to be totally different. They're going to go like crazy. You're going to love your Torpedopot. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye. I love it. Isn't that gorgeous? That is absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful.